Tatiya Baigu, General Jijaya. Home may be considered the birthplace of manners. In Surahu, manners to Bono, the agency to ye birthplace, certain Pitonia near may be considered. You san Bono. Children here clearly are not only Jabare. What the elders around them say. The elders around them through a Pawinching Luji Tumari. See pure manamiago duri not only jabido see genie bare what the elders do a gidi pari luji dumari pari lukja kanyare surale through genie bare bana either through pawnia luji lotamia gule genie re pure the miaule not only bo as they imitate their elders through a g luji dumari go as what the amia through to coding they acquire to Yala Varore, their elders' manners. Through Luji Dumari, no Miba Mivari Ulidajini manners tree, agency ID through Yala Varore. And Birole, there are times the father, mother, elder sister, or brother may formally teach the children to see or act politely. There are times the Kadi and the Pilipita sheet the Bobabe. A P, me, a ma, a kuriga, kalirigo, formally, bones and the jat, teach, then be there, to say or act politely, sir, yin jiji, pimu, piosu, da, on look, then be that the Hadian, she the body. If the Kelu, the elders around them, through a bounjian, a G, Lujitu Mariga, gentle and polite, Nunya, they may yin jime suyin, they grew up through a yao jibilame, to be gentle and polite, through lebe. Yin Jiji, Nununian through Legion Lama Pipare. If, on the other hand, Sajama Apin Aro, the elders around them through a Paunjian Chiri, Lujitumarica, crude and root, Yang me, Chanda me solution, they will grow up through Le Lama Pipare to be crude and root as well, through as well as Lebe Bono, through Lebe Yang Chandan Swane, Yoyao Jibian Lama Pipare.